my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. God bless you and you are welcome. Today, oh my word, I am finally doing it. I am making coconut jimmy. If you want to see how I achieve this, then continue watching. To my returning subscribers, I want you to know that you are my MVP. Without you, there'd be no Melda 242. There'd be no new subscribers. And to you who have just joined, God bless you and you are welcome. Remember to check out the description box now. I have a couple of links there if you want to be a blessing to this channel. Thank you in advance. is so easy, family. And guess what I'm doing? I am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. For watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.